makes me justice makes me justice makes me laugh 몰아붙여가둬도 이상의 죄는 없어 반복될 순 없으니.
Anyway, let's get into it.
Billboard Philippines. Volumes.
On this episode of Billboard Philippines Volumes, full circle moment for us
God, look at
as
my
we
Malloy.
have our first ever Philippines
Wait,
Volumes.
where's Malloy at?
Volumes.
Where's shit?
On this episode of Billboard Philippines Volumes, full circle moment for us as we
Oh,
have
no.
our first
Why
ever
does she look
cover
mad?
star
She looks pissed
SB19
off.
with our new cover star Beanie, the two biggest P-pop acts together on Volumes.
Wait, is he saying this or is this dubbed?
Let's turn up the volume on SB19 and Beanie.
Billboard Philippines.
I never thought we'd be here.
Huh.
Pero
Them
today is a
Colette
very
looks
special day.
expensive.
Welcome to
Oh my
Billboard
God, look at
Philippines
the
Volumes,
fit.
Oh
where
my
we turn up
God.
the volume on your favorite
Who got
artist
two-tone
stories.
hair in the back
And
with
of
the
course,
shades on?
today
Take your
we
shades
are
off,
with
boy.
Is that
the
Josh?
Voices of Asia awardees, our maiden issue
Oh my
cover
God, they all look
stars,
so
the
pretty.
kings
Look at this.
of
Look at
P-pop,
Stacey in the back. vibing.
SB19. And now, our anniversary issue cover stars, the nation's girl group, Beanie.
The actual
Everyone just
power
give
in
it up
this
one
room
time.
right now.
Please.
Give it up.
Where's Ken at? Okay, Ken back there.
Give it up.
And now that we've broken the ice, I
Oh,
think we're gonna have a lot of people watching this, and we know your fans are gonna watch this already, but I think there's gonna be a lot of new people that are gonna watch this. So before we start, can everyone introduce themselves? Let's start here in the front. Class.
Stacey can't wait to get
Hello everyone, I'm from SB19, I'm Pablo.
Pablo the ace.
Hi, I'm Bini Colette.
Hi, Colette.
I'm Bini Gwen. Hi, I'm Bini Sheena.
Hi, I'm Beanie Mika.
Hi, it's Bini Joanna.
I like how they.
Hi everyone, this is Tel.
Hi, I'm Bini
I like
Malloy.
that they.
Hi, I'm
intermix.
Justin.
Hi, I'm Bini Aya.
Oh,
Hi, I'm
I
Benny
expect that
Josh.
from
I knew that was Josh.
Did he say
Justin.
Benny?
He said
Hi,
Benny Josh. Wait, did he say that? Did he do that on purpose? Did he do it on
He
purpose?
probably did it on purpose. Okay, jokester.
Okay, Josh is moving up the
Yeah.
list.
Hi, I'm Benny Josh.
Oh my God! Not Josh having
Josh
jokes.
got jokes. Okay.
Josh got jokes.
Then,
Oh my
Hi, I'm Bini
God!
Aya.
Hi, I'm Benny Josh. Hi, I'm Ken.
Hi, I'm Bini Stacy. And we are SB19.
Look at Kim back there too.
Ayos yun ah.
Transferin natin yan.
Oh my
Top
God.
She's got
student.
transfer
Repeater
student.
Did
ako.
Stacey do that?
Oh my
Top
God.
student.
Galing nun ah.
Repeater ako. Irregular kasi siya. Repeater siya.
Sa likod.
This is insane. The energy today is amazing.
Oh my God.
Another reason why I'm saying that I never thought this would happen is because these two groups are everywhere. They're all over the world. They're playing shows across the nation, across the world, and they're here with us today
Has SB19 done a world tour?
because
Yep.
this is all about P-pop. P-pop is revolutionary. It's crazy. It's everywhere. You can't go down the street without hearing it.
Yes.
And
Okay.
this is very important for where we are right now. So to start things off, I'd like to hear in your own words.
I'm interested to see if Benny passes the mic in this.
Yes.
Or they just accept that they're gonna talk. We'll see.
Well, own words.
I guarantee you, Ken's not
What
saying a
is
word during this
P-pop?
interview.
Justin.
Sir Justin, can you tell us what is P-pop?
Wow. Thank you, Sir Brett, for that wonderful question. Yeah, technically P-pop is just like pop music, pero ito'y galing sa puso ng Filipino, ng isang Filipino, and the Filipino musicians, artists, just like
I love
us
these
po.
vibes
So,
here.
ayun, I think na paloob na rin, ang lalim, napaloob na rin sa parang
Josh,
understanding ng
shades
marami na when say P-pop, it's like a sing and dance music, usually
Nothing with
yung
Benny is
kumakanta na
boring,
sa
though.
group, but
It could never be
basically it's
boring.
just pop na gawa or
It's like
galing
the same
sa
answer
puso
that
ng
what is
Pilipino.
K-pop?
Yeah.
We love that.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank
Malloy.
you.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
she
No,
agreed.
Joanna.
that was Joanna, wasn't
It
it?
wa- I thought Malloy
Yes.
said it. Maybe not.
Galing
Maybe
sa
not.
Oh, well, I was
puso ng
looking at that.
Pilipino.
It could have been.
We love that.
It could have been Joanna.
Yes.
I
Thank
just
you.
saw Malloy's
okay,
lips.
okay.
Joanna would like that.
Joanna,
Okay.
what makes
Never mind. It was
Pinoy pop unique?
vocals.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well, for me, I guess nagiging unique yung P-pop kasi as an artist, at as tayo, di ba, as
Colette's
P-pop
always
groups
looking
and
classy.
OPM
I
groups,
know.
we always try to incorporate traditional Filipino elements. Pero hindi rin tayo takot mag-explore. Hindi rin tayo takot mag-incorporate ng global pop trends kasi kailangan din natin maging adaptive, 'di ba? So, pwede naman natin i-embrace yung local heritage natin but at the same time, mag-explore tayo to global stage. Yeah,
Number one.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, go for it.
Yes, go for it.
No, I mean
Oh my
that's so
God.
true. We see P-pop groups doing that now, like Alamat, especially known for that. All of you are doing the same thing. So I guess this leads to another question that I'd like to direct towards some of the members that are from different regions. How important is, I guess, involving other dialects from the Philippines?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Has Benny ever incorporated the other dialects that the members speak?
They did. Remember
I
they did
know
the rap.
in
They
the
did
rap.
the rap.
I know in the Coke song.
They did the
but
rap in the Coke
other
song.
than that,
Yes, they have. Okay,
Okay.
that's cool.
because I know in Be Who You Are they do it too. Okay.
Have we listened to Be
We
Who
have
You
not.
Are? We have not listened to that yet.
Messiah. Okay, because we know they had a Messiah rap
In the Coke, which one was it?
Bucket.
Da, 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 da.
Yeah, whatever that song was. I can't pronounce it, so that's the only reason.
The dance break.
Yes.
Yeah.
maybe we can try Ken for this
Sure.
one because we know.
Oh, damn! They
Ken,
said Ken, you were
talking.
talking, sir.
Where's Ken from? Is Ken from somewhere different than any other Benny members? Are they all from like the same?
Look at little Ken
Little
back
Ken
there.
back there, like,
Oh, with his hat on, he don't
Yeah,
want
he
to
don't wanna
talk. And now he got the whole class turned.
he's Messiah too.
Oh, he
Okay.
is okay. Look, they all turned around to look at him. Ken is
Yeah.
me. Look, oh, you got picked.
He
Ken
does
is
this
me,
a
little
lot.
introvert.
So
Oh,
can
poor
try
Ken. Ken is
Ken
me.
for this one because we know
Yeah.
he does this a lot.
Perfect. To me personally, I'm so proud of being a Bisaya.
Yes, you are.
Proud ako
We
kung saan
love
Oh,
ako
see,
galing.
we were
And to me, because siguro sobrang proud ko, gusto ko I think it's about time because like Bisaya language is so beautiful. And sobrang sarap niya pakinggan, especially pag gumawa ako ng kanta na Bisaya. So,
Is Colette? and
personal
Aya,
opinion ko
right?
lang naman.
Or-
And yan,
What is Mika
That's all.
doing? Wait a minute.
personal
I'm so sorry, Ken, but like my eyes are going to the bottom right of the
Oh,
screen
because,
here.
she's
What is
pag
she
gumawa ako
doing?
ng kanta
She's scratching.
na Bisaya.
Sheena's
So,
back.
personal
Is Sheena
opinion ko
not
lang
feeling
naman.
well?
And yan. That's all.
Actually,
Bisaya is beautiful. That's why it's important also kasi madami naman tayong madami tayong
Oh.
dialect and
Oh, okay. So Ken can be seen from that angle. How considerate. How considerate.
Yeah, what a smart
How
thing to
considerate.
do.
That is really, really good. Good for that.
personal
That's really...
opinion ko lang naman and yan.
And she
That's
just
all.
knows what she's doing.
Actually,
Bisaya,
Yeah.
Bisaya is beautiful. That's
so
why it's
smart
important
too.
also kasi madami
like,
naman
"Little
tayong
more."
madami tayong dialect and language sa Pilipinas. So, ayun. Siguro it's a thing to unite people kasi hindi mo naman kailangan intindihin yung bawat Hindi mo naman
Valid.
kailangan
That is a very
maintindihan yung
valid point.
Lyrics
That's
ng
a very
bawat
valid
kanta.
point
It's just
he
how
makes.
you feel it because
You don't need to
you
know the
don't try to
lyrics.
understand music, you feel it.
that's true.
Valid.
yeah,
Valid
it's beautiful.
point, Ken.
We see other countries every day. Like, let's say Korean acts come here to the Philippines. We have Filipinos singing in Korean the whole time. We're moving towards a stage where we'll see acts go to other countries and they'll start
Yeah,
singing in
yep,
Tagalog. Even
it's gonna-
Bisaya.
it
Can
is.
happen. I'd like
Because
to.
you think the K-pop
Goddamn
industry
Mika.
thought
Mika getting.
what?
What dialect does Mika speak?
Anyway, I was saying, did you think the K-pop scene thought that they could go to other countries and people would sing in Korean?
Yeah.
Like they didn't think that either.
Yeah, probably not.
Taglish, Tagalog, Taglish,
Okay.
English.
direct this question, the same question, over to Mika. how
Like,
important is
We love that.
representation.
I love that he's point. So they have to.
They have to
answer.
talk.
There's
They're
no,
not.
Yeah, there's no like
that's-
awkward like.
Honestly, with Benny, that's what you have to do because they're gonna pass the mic.
Yeah.
They'll spend 10 minutes passing the mic if they can.
In music right now.
I think it's really important to have representation because I think that's how we all get to share really our music and our culture and everything in the world. Like this is why we do world tours aside from gathering more people to know more about our music. It's also to raise the Filipino flag and to represent our nation and the talent it brings and the culture.
They're so well spoken.
and
Like
its
yeah,
language
so
and
amazes
the
me how
warmth of the
good they are at
people.
interviewing. Like it's
Last, Maloy, I'd like to hear from you as well.
Well, for me, I think my dialect is Batangueña.
Yes,
so
it is.
I think it's
Yes,
really
it is.
hard to put it in a song.
Mhm.
Pero for me na nagkaroon sige, hindi ko kaya. Mahirap siya kantahin because yung tono iba. Pero being able to learn like different dialects, makarinig like Bisaya, Bicolan, Ilocano, Bicolana, like it's really refreshing for me and parang for me na i-represent siya hindi lang sa kapwa mo Pilipino but in other people as well.
I'm sorry, Aya is completely disassociating back
Oh,
there.
she just.
I'm so
staring?
sorry. She's
It's all right. I mean, look,
she's
it's a
Really
bunch of
refreshing
people.
for
It is,
me
it
and
is.
parang for me na
I'm trying to look at the.
i-represent siya hindi lang sa kapwa mo Pilipino but in other people as well outside the Philippines. It's a big opportunity for us to bring what we have because I think malaki talaga yung
flubbing.
chance natin to bring it out there.
Well, I mean, I guess
Kasi
it's not a question. posed to her.
Filipinos
No.
are
Like,
Not
one
until
of
he
the
calls her out
greatest
randomly.
performers at all time.
That's true.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not even just a chance anymore. You guys are doing it already. It's happening. It's now.
it's Aya's
I guess
thing.
where we want to go from here now is like you guys are traveling around the world. I know as Beanie, you guys are hitting the States. You just came from Canada as well.
Was Benny supposed to
SB19
do
naman,
some?
you
I
guys
think
have
they were
been
supposed to do
all
a
over the
couple of
world.
shows in the
So
States
now
when
that
they
you
were over
guys
here.
are going outside the country, are you feeling the momentum for P-pop change? I'd like to ask Stel.
Yeah, I guess right now we're very happy that finally is P-pop being recognized not only here in the Philippines but also
Quick question: when was this interview?
Yeah, I was
What year?
wondering, like-
2023? This year or last year?
Last year.
I can because I mean, had Benny popped it? I'm assuming
Did
they
you
had
have red hair?
2024. Okay.
globally.
Was this after Grand Benny verse?
Does Mika have red hair?
She does, but I mean,
Okay.
she had red hair all the time.
Late
before.
last year. Okay, so late
After Grand Benny verse, or before Grand?
before
Before.
Well, before or after. Oh.
Y'all
Yes.
are so
No.
funny.
Look at you.
Y'all are so
Yes.
funny.
No. Before. After.
After K.
After
Gotcha,
K-Gun.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And I know it's probably timing.
Yeah,
it's probably
yeah,
timing, but
yeah.
it's funny.
Same dun sa question kanina na putting other dialects.
Before Grand
I
Benny verse,
think,
but probably
um,
after the NFT.
Maganda siya kasi for the longest time we lagi nating naririnig Tagalog, English,
Mhm.
and it's time na parinig din natin yung ibang mga salita natin dito, mga ibang wika, lengguwahe, kung ano pa man yung kaya nating i-showcase as Filipino kasi I think this year or sa mga susunod na taon mas magiging fruitful pa
I think
yung
so too. Yeah,
OPM
like it's
scene,
gonna
not only here but also sa buong
it's gonna
mundo.
explode.
And nakikita
now.
rin natin kahit yung mga sumisikat na international singers may Pinoy blood pala. And
Yeah.
doon
Yeah.
tayo
True.
nagiging mas
Sino yan?
oh my
Sino yan?
God, madami. Maraming international artists na mga
Yeah,
Pinoy
like,
pala.
we didn't know.
We
about
didn't know. We didn't know
her,
about Bruno. We didn't know
Juliet.
about her. Yeah, I mean,
like,
we.
Olivia, right?
Olivia,
I
like-
had no clue.
And I wonder if this like this boom of P-pop will make these artists more
Yeah, more
likely to say.
to embrace their. Oh, Haley.
Haley is?
Really?
That's why she got that voice. Interesting.
Yeah, that make it, okay. Haley Steinfeld be
Interesting.
That's
you
why
know
she
what?
got
That
voice.
makes perfect
That
sense.
makes- that's why she got a voice like I know,
Oh.
but it's still.
I mean, that's okay. What was? Okay, so y'all don't claim one. You don't
we
claim
1/4
quarter.
Japanese. Like, well, we not Blasian.
You don't claim 1/4. It's got to be half or more. Is that what we're
Damn,
getting
okay.
here?
All right then.
Hmm. Hmm. Bella?
Bella Porch.
Bella Porch. Okay, now as long as chat claimed us, we're good.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Madami. Maraming international artists na mga
Parang
Pinoy
si-
pala. Parang siyempre, number one,
Stella
Bruno
Hero,
Mars. Di,
Stella
Bruno
Hero.
Mars, di ba? May dugong Pinoy. So parang,
Hello,
marami
Olivia.
tayong na-discover ng mga artists na parang, may Pinoy blood pala.
Mm.
So, hindi
You
rin
got boys.
malabo for us na mga 100% Filipino blood na magawa rin
Yeah.
natin yung mga
100%.
success na nagagawa nila. And for P-pop naman, we're very happy din na hindi lang Pinoy yung na-inspired din namin.
Wonderful,
Kasi kahit
Olivia
even
speaks
other
the
countries
talent.
nagkakaroon na rin ng
She might.
idea to go here and to audition as a P-pop artist or
That's
maging
true.
or mag-release ng music dito or maging artist din dito. So parang for the longest time lagi tayong nakatingin lang sa labas ng bansa natin na parang sila yung may chance. But now na binigyan na tayo ng tamang platform and binigyan na tayo ng napakaraming inspiration from other artists pa. And kami, naging example din kami na na-inspire kami with other artists. And ngayon, parang ginagawa na rin namin kung ano yung nafe-feel namin na tama
Oh,
namin going for
Colette's
kami with
cold.
other artists. And ngayon,
Someone get
parang
Colette a blanket.
She's
She's like
freezing.
shivering. Can someone?
I'm sorry, Stell. We weren't meaning to.
No, but poor Colette.
Yeah, Colette is actually
other artists
cold.
pa. And kami, naging example din kami na na-inspire kami with other artists. And ngayon, parang ginagawa na rin namin kung ano yung nafe-feel namin na tama namin going for other mga artists na, ay mga dreamers din ngayon na gusto rin nila gawin yung na sumunod sa yapak namin or yung other mga legends here. So, yeah, I guess.
Get her a
dami
jacket,
kong sinabi.
chat.
Sana may
Get her
point.
something.
Oh, yeah,
Hold
yeah.
on, I missed it.
Yeah, I guess. Ang dami kong sinabi. Sana may point. Yun naman. Yun po.
You know, I'd like to say a fact for a lot of people that are watching this right now. The world looks at the Philippines as one of the markets that actually dictates who's going to be the next big thing globally. So many artists have
That's an interesting
actually
take.
broken here first
Ah,
before
okay,
anywhere else in the
gotcha.
world. Dua Lipa, Ed Sheeran,
Really?
1975.
Wow.
So what happens
I did
when
not
the
know
Philippines
that.
actually only focuses more on Filipino talent? That's what we want to see, and that's where
They're
we're going.
gonna see it. I mean,
So
it's
what
gonna
I'd like to
shift.
say next is, what is a moment where you felt everything is changing for P-pop? You really felt that
Dua
you
did
can
when they
see
go to-
where
when
it's
they went to
going, where the future
KCON.
is. You know,
Oh, she said, "Why me?" Pablo put Colette on blast. and Colette is just trying to stay warm here.
Pablo said you talking.
Oh my god,
That was so funny.
She said, "You get it, Colette." She
Damn,
literally said,
unannounced.
"Why me?" She's just trying to get a jacket.
That's
She's cold.
funny. Oh my god.
Oh, that was
see
funny.
where it's going,
that
where
was
the
funny.
future is. You know,
Ikaw na yun.
Aya, can we hear from you on this one?
I guess there are a lot of
Well, I like to
times,
talk, so I, you know.
big or small things that we can say, oh, it's really being seen not just here but across the world, and
Mhm.
hopefully it's gonna magnify. And for me, that time when we did a tour in Canada,
Yes.
and then we were very nervous and scared because it's our first time to have our own concert outside the Philippines. So
I
we
can't
didn't
wait till they
know
do a concert
what the
here.
reception would be, how they would take us and accept us. So that time we were very grateful and blessed how not only Filipinos who attended our concert, but there are
I was
also
gonna
like
ask
other races,
Yes.
different ages who
Mhm.
were there, and they were very happy to see us and knowing that not everybody
Yeah, but that's really
was
cool.
all Filipino.
To speak on that, like even K-pop concerts,
Are
like
very
it's just
diverse.
crazy the diversity
Yes,
at K-pop
ages,
concerts.
yeah,
it's just
everything.
insane. So I bet it's really cool for them
Mm-hmm.
to come over here and see that diversity.
Yeah.
They'll see more of it when they tour in the U.S. too, and
Yes.
probably in Europe and in
Yeah.
everywhere else. But yeah, it's got to be cool for them to see that.
So that made us think,
KCON
oh,
too.
okay, there's
Probably
really a
KCON,
chance that we
especially
can
KCON.
have our music be heard across the world, and
Yes.
hopefully it's not just us, but all the other artists who are really striving and doing
They're just very
their
good
very
speakers.
best and pouring all
Like
the
me, I
love
would've been-
into their craft
Pablo is
gets
smiling
that
for
kind
it.
of
Is he
treatment,
good?
because I know we all deserve that for those artists who are really trying. Yeah.
Amen.
Summa cum laude.
Can I actually add
know-
something?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
It
Josh.
felt like P-pop really changed everything, and parang naramdaman ko na ito na talaga
Oh,
yung revolution. When actually
oh, I bet the
Beanie
fan
made
wars
it.
chilled
So,
out.
Oh, I
uh,
know.
for,
I know them. I know them.
I bet the fan
them-
wars
them-
chilled at this point. I mean, I bet they were the fandoms pretty cordial at this point. Thank you,
No,
Lord.
sir.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you,
Welcome,
Lord.
welcome.
Thank you, Lord. No, for a week. For a week they were
Oh,
doing.
for a week. Dang, that sucks.
That does suck.
That sucks
Where's
'cause they
all
have
these
so much
fellas?
respect for each other. You can tell. It's just
Yeah.
it sucks, but fandoms are gonna fandom, I guess.
to be honest kasi before, parang nangyayari medyo
That's really nice of him. to
Yes,
say
it
that.
mahirap
is.
for other P-pop artists as well to syempre to cross borders, ganun. But ever since Beanie
Oh
made
my
it,
God!
parang
Yes,
naging
them up,
inspiration din
yes,
sila for
them up,
other
Josh.
P-pop artists to strive more na may pag-asa talaga with
Oh,
the P-pop. Kasi matagal na namin pinupush as
yeah.
collective. Lahat naman ng groups dito talagang matagal na pinupush. Pero when they made it, kasi before kami parang nagtutour kami, pero parang hindi pa namin, parang nare-reach namin yung audience. Pero
If it was
parang
more,
iniisip namin,
yeah.
kung mas marami tayo, mas maraming ma-reach yung P-pop na ginagawa namin. So when they actually did it, parang sobrang
Yes, the actual
actually
gas
even me
up is
na-inspire
so
ako dun
cute.
sa movement na yun na parang, uy, it's finally happening. Hindi lang to for now. For sure, yung mga susunod na generations, mas marami pang magbo-blow up.
Yeah. Actually, parang yun nga, gaya ng sinabi ni Josh,
Oh,
ngayon,
thank you po.
yung mga events, concerts, kung mapapansin niyo po,
Yeah.
dumadami na yung mga nai-invite na P-pop groups. So, yun yung
KCON's
isa
gonna
sa
be interesting to
nakakataba
see.
ng
I
puso
could
na nakikita
100%
natin
see.
yung improvement nung growth nung P-pop community.
Actually, like especially in the last few months, we've seen so many concerts with so many P-pop groups and
That's
selling
so
out
cool.
constantly, and the launch of so many new groups as well. So it's obvious that the Philippines can see it, the world can see it, and you guys are leading the way for what's happening.
Malloy gonna
That's
start
amazing.
crying soon.
She
I guess
will.
I'd like
Yeah,
to go
Malloy
into
cry
next.
baby.
What do you
Was Malloy
admire
about to cry,
about each
y'all?
other's groups? So
Was
okay,
she?
like
I gotta
you
go
guys are
see.
leading out constantly, and the launch of so many new groups as well.
Probably like
So it's
in the
obvious that the
inside.
Philippines can see it, the
Oh,
world can see it, and you
well.
guys are leading the way for what's happening. That's amazing. I guess I'd like to go into next. What do you admire about each other's groups? So okay, wait, hold up.
Ah, wait,
Each other's
what?
groups. So okay, wait, hold up.
Look at me.
Hold up. Okay, Gwen. Gwen, what can you say that you admire about SB?
Oh, is that like our,
Yes,
is that like Kuyos
Yes,
is
that
up-
means older
like
brother. Yes, yep.
Got you.
SB19.
Yes.
Ako per...
Mic
Bro.
drop.
Yes,
Who dropped the mic?
SB19.
Justin.
Ako per...
Oh, Colette.
Admire about
Colette had to go to sleep.
SB19.
Arcuyas,
No.
SB19.
Yes.
Ako per...
Malloy? Was it
Mic
Malloy?
drop.
Was it Malloy?
Ako per...
Mic drop.
Oh, wait.
Grabe
Oh, no,
naman, di ba ako
Colette.
sorry.
Colette Cole.
Mic drop.
Yes.
Hala, ako po personally, sobrang naaalala ko pa nung mga times na nagsisimula sila. And as in, sobrang amazed na amazed ako. Siguro yung as in number one na ina-admire ko sa kanila is yung determination kasi they really
They
opened
gassed
the
each
door
other
I
up.
love
for
it.
especially
Love
sa
that.
This is how it
P-pop
should be.
po.
Mhm.
And the discipline and
daw.
Take that credit, yes, yes.
that
Discipline
credit.
because of me.
That's
the
funny.
discipline and
daw.
and of course sila din po yung nililook up namin lalo nung Trini days namin, 'di ba? Lalo nagsisimula pa lang yung P-pop nung time na yun. Sobrang grabe the talent.
Ako po, add ko lang po, dahil yun nga po, nagsa-start pa lang po kami, talagang sila yung parang nakaset na okay, dapat maging parehas nila kami.
Yes.
So,
The
gusto,
standard.
gusto po namin yung nag-take po talaga sila ng risk na mapakilala yung P-pop.
They gotta
Sila
get
talaga
Stacey.
yung
Come on, get
namumuna. And
Stacey a
alam niyo po
Stacey
yung
gonna get
tinake
something for
nila
sure.
lahat ng negative muna bago, I mean, para safe naman yung, parang ganun po yung, parang ganun yung nangyayari. So, thankful kami na sila talaga nag-start na. Alam niyo yun, iset talaga yung standard. Okay, ganito ang excellence na pinapakita ng P-pop. Parang gano'n.
Kasi nung time po nila, sobrang
Damn,
hirap
everybody-
talaga
we
na
love
like
it.
buksan yung door for
Yes.
P-pop. As
Sobrang
in,
hirap i-please ng mga tao.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba?
Natatawa ako doon sa nung time nila.
Hindi, pero
During
naman,
their
gets naman,
time.
gets naman, nung time nila. Oo.
Na hindi trainees pala kami. Trainees pala kami.
kayo.
Tama ka naman dyan, Gwen.
No, I'm acting like a grandpa. Oh my god.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh man.
No, I mean,
P-pop pioneers.
we gotta be honest though. I mean, I've seen clips and videos of those interviews during that time, and it was really harsh how the media and everyone really treated you guys when you guys were like opening the doors.
Yeah,
You
because
guys were
P-pop was
breaking
just viewed
barriers.
as
You guys were
less
pushing
than.
it
Like, it was a
forward.
joke.
And this wouldn't be happening without that. That's the truth. You know what I mean? And it doesn't make
Justin's
sense
the OA
to
line
me
too?
why
I
it
would
had to
never
be like
expect
that
it.
because your
No.
talent is undeniable.
God, Justin
Okay.
looks so Korean. Like,
Let's
he was
go.
being a
Let's get away
Korean
from that
boy.
negativity.
No,
Actually, okay,
no,
game.
let's talk.
Let's do it.
Lang po. Hindi, pero kasi, ayun nga,
fine.
mas nakikilala na yung P-pop, mas marami ng eyes. So, mas marami ring batikos, mas
Listen,
maraming
let's speak on it.
criticisms. Wala lang, parang recently, nagkaroon ako ng parang
Yeah.
detoxification pagdating sa social media kasi parang sobrang dami na ng negativity na nakikita ko. So, ayun, nagpahinga muna ako. Tapos, kinabukasan, bumalik na rin.
5 minutes later.
Parang sabi nga nila, di ba, pag ang puno ay hitik sa bunga, talagang lalong binabato. So,
Yeah, I mean,
since everyone's attention nga is nakapokus na sa
Yes, that's
sa
exactly.
P-pop,
That's
ganyan.
like
So,
when Benny got criticized for like covering up their
Yeah,
faces and stuff.
yeah.
That's because more people
Yeah,
had eyes
more-
on P-pop.
Exactly. So,
syempre, mas maraming tao na pwede kang
Yeah.
punahin. Like, syempre, social media, anyone can say anything about you,
And maybe it's
regardless
because,
of what
you know,
you do.
the culture was
Even
so
though,
K-pop
kuwari, you're not
favorable,
doing
they just
anything wrong, or
applied
you're
that
just
to
doing what you
P-pop
love,
artists.
makakatanggap ka talaga ng
That criticism that they
mga
normally would have.
kakaibang
So-
mga
Oh my
mindset na
God.
tao
Oh
na
shit.
hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yung mga
Good
komento
morning,
nila. Pero
child.
this is just a reminder for everyone who's trying to achieve the same dream as
Hi, Crystal.
the two of us that
How are you?
group dito.
Oh,
Kasi
what's up,
talagang madaming magbabati ko sa'yo regardless of what you do. So, baka kasi panghinaan sila ng loob or parang it
I'm sorry,
breaks
I missed it.
dito.
Sorry, Crystal.
Kasi talagang madaming magbabati ko sa'yo regardless of what you do. So, baka kasi panghinaan sila ng loob or parang it breaks them pagdating dun sa mga pangarap nila. Pero just battle it out. Talagang ganun talaga eh. Ganun talaga.
Not
lalo
Colette
na
will battle
kapag,
it out. You don't have to tell Colette
exposed
to
ka.
battle it out.
Mas maraming tao na pwedeng magsalita para sa iyo, patungkol sa iyo. So, ayun lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin na kaya niyan. Talaga.
Hey, thank you for pointing that out. You're right.
Tagalog langgam is ant. Bisaya langgam is bird. Right? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
You're right. She is.
That's going on in her head. Yep.
Yes.
Pagdadaanan niya para maging mas malakas ka.
And for as much as there is, I mean, I wouldn't say there's a lot of negativity, but for the negativity, there's just as much or more
Exactly.
love or positivity.
You know that
right now.
that points
is
out a
true.
very good point
Because
about
more
people.
more eyes are on it, but so they're more negative. They're more positive
Yes,
too.
it's the 20 what 20
Oh yeah, so it was a
the
20
20 rule.
Yes.
That I think Sana had said it. It's like
soccer or someone.
somebody had said there's a 20-60 or 20 what is it 20 20-60-20.
20, yeah.
20% of people will love you regardless. 20% of people will hate you regardless, and that other 60% is completely
Open. to anything. They may love you, they may hate you, but there's 60%.
So screw the 20% of people that are always going to hate you because they're always going to hate you.
Yes.
Focus on the 20% of people that love you,
And then the 60%
and then
of people that you can make
influencing that 60% that are open
to maybe like you
to
too.
thinking of you more positively than negatively.
Yes.
This is a very good, and that's just with anything.
Yeah,
Any
there are always
anybody in
gonna
the
be people
spotlight.
who don't like
There's just
you.
always going to be people who are negative and hate you, but those people don't matter because you're not going to be able to
You're
convince
not going
them.
to be able to change their minds.
No.
So
This is a
don't-
very good way.
Yeah.
To think about hate and the hate that these idols see. Those are 20. They're always going to hate you.
Yes.
You will never be enough for them, so they don't matter. So, well, silently yes. I mean, but it's very interesting. But it's a really cool way of viewing
Yeah.
negativity online.
Those people are always
and in
gonna
general.
dislike you. They're always gonna.
From a mental standpoint, it's
Yes.
a good way to think.
And that's what we need to focus on.
Yes.
Truly.
Yes. Actually, add ko
I
lang
forgot
po
who said it.
regarding
Could have been
dun sa
soccer, it
parang
could have
yun
been
nga,
Sana, I
because
can't
of social
remember.
media, lahat nakatingin sa'yo. Siguro, habol ko lang din yung what we admired sa Bini naman is parang nung nagsisimula pa lang din kasi po sila. Actually, nakikita ko rin sa Twitter yung mga, meron pa kayo yung one take na performance nasa loob pa kayo ng bahay ni Kuya nun
Wait,
eh.
are they talking about Bini now? Did
I don't know. Hold on. Let's see.
Yeah, go back.
Let's admire about Benny.
Okay, there we go. They are answering
Nagsisimula
the
pa lang
question now.
din kasi po sila. Actually, nakikita ko rin sa Twitter yung mga, meron pa kayo yung one take na performance nasa loob pa kayo ng bahay ni Kuya nun
Damn,
eh.
John was like, what?
Yung
Hindi mo
ano, ay, ari ko mambo. Yung
Oh, that's the 80s classic video they want us to watch. See, they don't even like it. Ew. They don't even like it. You want us to react to it? They said, brother, ew. Brother, ew.
ay, ari ko mambo. Yung
Colette turned around real quick and said no. Colette turned around real quick. She said
No, basta colorful yung song mo. Oh my God.
take down
Yan nga, parang, di ba, asan nga ako, yan. Basta parang, what we admire din sa
Oh,
Bini kasi,
God, that's
na
so
parang,
funny.
ang daming, di ba, ang daming ng mata ngayon, pero, the way they present themselves,
Yeah, you
parang,
know.
totoo pa rin. So, feeling ko isa rin po yun, bukod sa, syempre, how talented they are, we know how disciplined pag nagper-perform sila, pero po, siguro, isa yun sa naging key, yung pagiging tao ng isang artist. So, yun po, parang kung makikita natin kung gaano sila nakakatawa, kung gaano katotoo sila. Actually, ayun nga, parang lagi kayong lumalabas sa mga feed. Parang matutulog na ako, lalabas kayo. Nakakatulugan ko yung mga super haba na live nyo sa isang app. So, yung mga ganun nyo, na nakakatawa yung mga pinaggagawa nyo, yung mga, parang hindi kayo, alam nyo merong limit, pero hindi kayo nahihiya or natatakot na kasi normal yung mga bagay-bagay. Meron mga topics na parang iniisip natin, hala, celebrity sila, dapat hindi sila magsasabi or gagawa ng ganito. Pero, parang, so, parang inspire siya sa lahat ng tao na nakikita nila na even though you're up there,
You're still a human.
oo,
Yeah.
parehas pa rin tayo.
I think that's basically what you call P-pop. That's how you
Yeah.
define P-pop. Kasi authenticity namin yun, tsaka yung personality as being Filipinos, hindi yan katulad ng ibang countries na ma-replicate or hindi sila makaka-relate eh.
The humor,
Yung
the
humor
everything. Yes,
talaga,
yes.
original. Diba? And that's P-pop.
Tsaka one thing din po na napansin ko sa Bini, katulad sinabi ni Justin, parang ano yun eh, super,
this is
yun yung
gas,
isa sa
pure
parang selling
gas.
point ng group nila is for being real, and
They are
nakakatuwa yung mga
definitely real.
clips nga na napapanood nyo. And one thing din na talaga napansin ko is, hindi sila sumuko and hindi mo mapapansin na napapagod sila sa ginagawa nila. Parang, every time na napapanood ko sila mag-perform, pag nami-meet namin sila, parang, every time,
It's been a long day.
It's been a long
Babaguhin
day.
ko ba kulit? Hindi. Super happy sila. Nararamdaman ko yun. And I think they really deserve kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanila ngayon.
This is
Kasi
like pure
alam ko naman
gas.
na nung time na nagsisimula sila, syempre, alam mo yun, parang nasa isang lugar sila na parang kailangan gawin nila yung kailangan sabihin sa kanila. And sabi ko, parang, gets ko na to. Gets ko yung ganitong klaseng idea and paano binuo yung ganitong group. Tapos all of a sudden, nakita ko parang lumalabas na yung totoong sila. Like, nagjo-joke na sila, parang nagiging maskwela na sila, and may personality na sila. Sabi ko, parang ito talaga yung Beanie. And this is yung nakikita ko na parang mas mamahalin ng mga fans nila. And true enough, nung nakilala nga sila isa-isa, talagang mas nag-boom talaga yung Beanie lalo. And yun yung nagustuhan ko sila, parang nagustuhan ko sa kanila, parang nakakatuwa pala talaga sila. Kasi pag minsan nag-meet kami sa event, parang
I love it.
hi lang talaga. Hi, hello. Pero nung tumagal-tagal na, parang nakikita ko, mga kalog din pala talaga itong mga to. And base nga po doon din siguro na answer na to ni Pablo before, P-pop, for us, ang P-pop ay sumasalamin sa buhay ng isang normal na Pilipino. So, tama, salamin. So, kaya rin masasabi nga natin na talagang super relatable and super Pinoy talaga ng P-pop kasi nga, tayo rin ng kakaintindihan kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. So, I guess, yun po yung nagustuhan ko personally sa Beanie.
Wow. Sa Beanie.
Damn, Glenn, that's a Glenn
Siguro po
fest.
sa lahat naman ng P-pop groups. Kasi, yung music po namin, SB19, parang
SB19, we're always angry at the world.
Ganun kami
Sino
lagi.
She said, who writes stuff and who writes it though? Pablo, you write that. Is Pablo writing that?
Para laging galit sa mundo eh. Parang, ganun kami lagi. Pinaglalaban. Tapos parang sobrang refreshing kapag nakakapakinig ka ng music ng ibang groups na, syempre, may favorite akong kanta yung lagi. Hindi ko talaga kinakanta. As in, favorite ko talaga yun. Kasi hindi mo kapag nakikinig ka ng SB19 tapos nasa biyahe ka, tapos galit ka kanta, tapos galit ka lalo.
Nagmumula ka, tugtog mo, what?
Gusto mo parang light lang. So, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanila kasi talagang yung music nila very light. Siguro yun din yung magsasabi na yung difference nila sa ibang grupo. Tsaka yun din pala, ang hirap ng parang sobrang complicated nung tanong na what is P-pop, what makes it unique. Pero sa totoo lang, madali lang naman talaga siya sagutin. Parang pinapakomplika lang natin. Sa totoo lang, kasi di ba parang lahat naman tayo iba-iba. Iba-iba tayo na tao. Though, lahat tayo may mga same din, kumbaga. So, we have our differences, but at the same time, we have our similarities. Ang galing mo doon. We have our similarities. So, technically, if you try to be yourself, you're already doing something unique. So, bakit mo papakomplikahin? And I know naman na ang mga audience natin, hindi naman mga bobo. Ay, hindi naman.
Let's be honest.
They will know if something is not authentic or something is not true or yun nga, kung peke. So, yun nakikita ko yun, napapanood ko sa kanila na very, ano lang sila, parang normal na mga tao. Talagang pinapakita nila yung sarili nila. Tapos, talagang yun yung nakaka-attract ng mga audience. And I think kapag nag-perform kami sa ibang bansa or saan man mundo, parang nakakatakot. It's scary to think na paano tayo magpe-perform. But yung pinaka-answer talaga doon, what makes it special is being ourselves.
We haven't heard Stacey
kung
at
magustuhan nila
all.
tayo dun sa pinaka-authentic na sarili natin, I think yun yung pinaka-successful na pwede natin gawin para sa P-pop or para sa culture natin. And if they came to love our culture, then yun na yung start, yun na yung meet siya ng lahat. So, yun lang, yun yung gusto ko
That
sabihin.
makes sense.
Hindi naman
Yeah, I
kailangan
mean,
peke.
The SB19 songs we've reacted to, some of them are pretty
I totally agree.
intense.
I mean, I was having a conversation with Sir Gary V the other day,
Sir
and
Gary.
we were talking about this. What can we
Gary
do
V.
to further what's happening right now in OPM? And it's a simple answer: be yourself. As cliche
It
as it
is.
sounds,
It's refreshing.
being
It's refreshing.
yourself is the way that this whole thing will go
Stacey is
further.
like a diesel. It
Because
takes her time
what
to heat
we
up.
want
Valid.
the world to see. We want them to see Filipino culture. We want them to see Filipino identity. And how do you do that? Be yourself.
Be who you are.
That easy.
Brett, may sabihin din ako dyan.
Okay.
Kasi what is scary is, usually kasi as an artist, you really have to offer something to your fans, right? So, minsan kasi pag sinasabi ng fans mo, like, you should be like this because you're an artist, right? Kailangan mo entertain
I'm an
people. But
artist. I'm
truth
not an
is,
entertainer.
to
I'm
me
an
personally, I'm
artist.
not an entertainer. I'm an artist.
Yeah.
So, in making art, the audience comes last. that is my question.
Damn, Ken.
Well, that's an
Damn, Ken.
interesting- that's
The
an
artist.
interesting-
That's interesting. But like I respect that
Yes,
answer
because
though.
he's like, I want to focus on my work.
The
And
arts.
and if the audience likes it, they like it.
And if
but
they don't-
I'm not doing it for the audience. I'm doing it for my.
It's interesting because I feel like K-pop is the opposite of that.
yes,
K-pop is for the, or at least to the companies. K-pop
They're
is for the
all
audience.
for the art, all for the audience, and less for
the artist.
The artist. They don't.
Yeah, I definitely
Yeah,
think
he's
that.
more focused on expressing himself
Yes.
than impressing an audience. Now, if the audience likes that,
That's
then
great.
they like it. But he's not going to go above and beyond to please the audience.
Yeah,
if it's
that's
gonna
just a,
affect his
that's
artistry.
that's an okay.
Yeah, that's a really interesting point.
Yeah.
Yun yung sinabi ni Rick Rubin sa, ano niya, sa, ano ba tawag ito? Producer yun niya. So,
Yes.
yeah, sobrang na-inspire ako sa word niya.
Recruitment, tol? Ano yun?
Rick Rubin.
Rick Rubin.
Citation
So,
yun, may citation.
Ayun, sobrang na-inspire ako sinabi niya. So, ayun, yeah, gusto ko lang sabihin na what I like about Bini is they're very genuine people.
Yes.
I think, and hopefully,
I
think, classic boy. Kasi, I think that's what, kumbaga,
I care, okay? Like,
Yeah, no, unless he meant I think. Genuine people, period. I think.
And then, yeah.
I think maybe the phrase was just it's split up in a way that wasn't supposed to
nag-enjoy
be.
sila, hindi lang dahil sa music nila, but especially their personality also.
I don't think he meant it like I think he. I
it
think
was
that
the end of a period,
end of a s-
and I think was the beginning of another sentence.
yes, not I think. Although, well, I'm.
Yeah. Good job, Bini. Great job. Great job.
Please watch this.
Birthday pala pala. Birthday pala.
Birthday.
Kaya narito naman ang mga mensahe. Narito naman ang mga mensahe ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Roll VTR.
That's why it's very scary talaga for artists na maging kumbaga maging totoo sa sarili nila kasi usually namamanipulate talaga tayo ng mga tao.
Yeah.
Nag-criticize sa atin kasi natatakot tayo. Kumbaga, kung ano yung meron sa atin ngayon, it might be, kumbaga,
Because looking to make sure
parang
that no
maglaho na
one's
lang talagang
blocking.
biglaan kasi hindi natin alam yung kinabukasan, bigla na lang pala tayong bumagsak. Ganun
That's
na.
just Mika though. Like
Yeah.
that is just
Iniisip
Mika.
natin palagi yung
in a nutshell.
nag-overthink tayo. And it's very normal for people, especially as an artist, na mag-overthink din. Kasi yun yung ano natin kumbaga, kung masaya yung ibang tao, masaya din tayo. But usually kasi nawawala yung pagiging
Yeah.
nawawala yung pagiging,
Yes.
what do you call this? Yung humanity mo, kumbaga kung yung creation mo, nawawala yung art mo, kung ano talaga gusto mong gawin. Kasi gusto mong sundin
not
kung
going
ano
to be
yung gusto
controlled
ng
by
mga
anyone.
tao. But yung gusto ko lang sabihin na sana ma-encourage yung mga tao na gusto
Don't be
gawin nila yung kung gusto
Don't
nilang
be
gawin
manipulated.
as long as they're happy, and wag sila magpa-manipulate, and wag kayo magpapikto sa sinasabi ng ibang tao.
Yeah.
Gawin niyo yung art
He
niyo.
really does
Yun yung
have- he
pinaka-importante sa lahat. Kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa inyo, gawin niyo yan.
Sergeant at arms.
It's true. The landscape of P-pop and OPM, it's so big.
a good
right
interview,
now.
like,
There's
it's a
no
really good interview.
like this is how it has to be. You guys are painting that picture as we speak. You are writing.
And I
the
think they'll
history
always be known
as
as
we
those
speak.
groups
So
that
it's open. It's
when
open to
P-pop
do
blows up,
whatever,
they
we
will
get to
be
see where it's going to go.
in that conversation.
that
They'll
being
always
said,
have that.
The future of P-pop is bright. We all know this. Pero, what support do we need right now for it to get even bigger? Sheena, help us out.
Oh, Sheena hasn't spoken
What
either.
support?
Yes.
Fine, charing. Of course, talagang gusto talaga namin, syempre, before going internationally, makuha namin mga puso ng mga kababayan namin.
Very
Kasi
true.
ayaw naman namin
Thank
diretso
us. No, thank you.
US, diretso Korea, ganyan. Pero
not
mismo
thank us.
kababayan namin, hindi kami mahal. What's
Mhm.
the point, di ba? Wala kaming support, wala kami pinangahawakan, wala kami pinagkukuhanan ng yes, emotional support, ganyan. And gaya nga ng sabi niyo po kanina na unti-unti na kaming minamahal. Kaya feeling ko, ngayong ina-accept na kami ng Pilipinas, isa sila sa mga tumulong sa amin para to go internationally. Like, isa sila sa mga grabe yung pag-promote sa amin, ganyan. Sobrang grateful talaga namin. So, Pilipinas, I love you.
Love that.
Malloy, what's so funny, Malloy? Malloy,
She's laughing all in the mic.
she said that from her heart. Malloy is what is? Damn.
Talaga namin. So, Pilipinas, I love you.
Love that.
Malloy.
first people that need to believe in you is definitely the people from here in the Philippines. Because if you have that support, I guess going back to the point earlier, if the Philippines supported OPM like they support foreign music, the whole industry would be in a
I
different
think it's
place.
gonna shift.
And
I
it would
do.
move so much faster. So what are we waiting for? Right? Support now.
Just use the hashtag.
Support.
I guess moving into support, Stacy. Oh. Eto na.
There she goes.
How important is support from casual fans?
Well, sa Bini po,
stood up.
nag-start po talaga siya
Nice.
sa song namin na Pantropiko ever since nag-boom yung Yeah, I am standing up for you, sir. Sa simula, nag-boom talaga yung Pantropiko na song namin. Talagang doon na parang nagtuloy-tuloy. And natakot kaming Bini natakot kaming mag-release ng next songs kasi paano namin matatapatan yung
Yeah. Look at Malloy.
Pantropiko
Look at
feeling mag-release namin.
God, see, Malloy has it has just been look. Malloy has just been unlocked. It's over.
Oh,
It's
shit.
over.
She's about to-
Oh boy.
Na Pantropiko.
Casual fans.
Well, sa Bini po, nag-start po talaga siya
Oh,
sa
both
song
of-
namin na
I think
Pantropiko
it's
ever
both for
since
now.
nag-boom yung Yeah, I am standing up for you, sir. Sa simula nung nag-boom talaga yung Pantropiko na song namin, talagang doon na parang nagtuloy-tuloy. At
Stacy's about to yap, isn't
Yeah,
she?
she's about to
Stacy's
yap.
about to yap, isn't she?
Yeah.
And they know. Look at Joanna. It's like they know. They know she's about to go. Joanna's like, here we go. Oh my God.
That is so funny.
Oh, look, they getting comfortable. The rest of them getting comfortable. Oh, that's so
That is
funny.
hilarious.
eh, natakot kaming Bini natakot kaming mag-release ng next songs kasi paano namin matatapatan yung Pantropiko Fever, di ba? So, simula nung release namin yung Salamin Cherry on Top, nagulat talaga kami kasi hindi po namin in-expect na mamahalin talaga nila yung music namin, especially sa Cherry on Top since English song po siya. Natakot kami kasi baka mamaya, syempre, patok sa masa yung Tagalog songs ng Bini.
Yep.
Ba't ba ako nakatayo? Isa pa nga. And ayun, and thankful kami kasi talagang grabe magmahal ang Pilipinas, yung mga Filipino blooms. Kahit yung mga blooms na nasa ibang bansa, grabe po sila magmahal. And talagang yun yung greatest blessing na binigay sa amin ni Lord. Amen.
I totally agree. I mean, in a way, like when I was growing up in the Visayas, I heard a lot of budots. And yeah, and like
Sample.
but the thing is, when that time was happening, I remember all the names it was being called. Jejimon, it's this, it's that. And now it's in Boiler Room Set. It's global. It's being danced by people around the world. And it's authentically and originally Filipino. It's one of a kind. You know what I mean? And I think right now what you guys are doing is amazing because you can't be put into a box. We can't let the audience put you into a box. You need to be able to explore and try new things. We want to see that because P-pop is going to grow into whatever it's going to be, and you guys again are leading that way. So super excited for that. I guess the last thing I'd like to talk about with you guys is what are your messages for the P-pop groups that are coming up right now? Since you guys are the leaders of the new wave, what are some advice or some things you'd like to say to them?
Isa-isa po ba? Lahat
Yeah,
po?
let's do it. Go ahead.
Yeah, go. Yun na yung message ko, so we go to Colette na. Yung kanina. Yung
from you.
Another.
May games kami. May games kami.
Yung last
word.
Super excited nila.
20 seconds maximum.
To all the groups out there. Oh.
There. Out there. Basta just be yourself lang and yung discipline dapat nandun.
The last person's gonna have a tough
Nandun
time.
Kayo. Nandun yung
like a
passion niyo.
poem,
So
like
don't
there's-
stop and believe in yourself. Yes.
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 Yes, everyone.
Oh my
and
God.
I hope that... Di ba message sa P-pop group?
Yeah.
Oh, bakit? Okay.
She
Yes,
said, "What?"
and don't be afraid to show who you are.
Yes.
Are.
are amazing, and don't ever doubt yourself. It's not going to be easy, but
But yes, but
Okay, Mika. Now, no, Mika did not. Stop. Yes, you know what she was referring to. Stop. Mika, stop. That could have descended into chaos, bro.
Is somebody gonna have to start with bubble butt?
Mika, that could have descended into chaos.
Why did she? Oh no.
but yes, but
She a clown for that. I cannot believe she started singing that.
Oh no.
Oh, Mika, really?
but always remember that we are
Look at Gwen's face when she said it.
ever doubt yourself. It's
at
not
her
going
face.
to be easy, but
Look at Gwen's
but
face.
yes, but always remember that
Gwen like now. Like, no, I thought that was funny, but you stop.
we are here to dominate. We are here to dominate. What's your last word? But yes, but always remember that we are here to dominate and not to fit into anyone's boxes. Boxes.
Boxes. Ang hirap naman ng boxes.
Says na lang.
Says, I hope you're okay. And I know you have big dreams, and don't be afraid because it's, maraming problems na dadating, but I know mas strong yung dreams mo and you can do whatever you want basta you believe in yourself.
Hi, self. Kung nasa ka man. Yourself. Yourself is the most important thing. So you have to prioritize yung gusto mo, yung katulad yung sinabi ni Kuya Ken, kung ano yung gusto mo, dapat yun yung i-prioritize mo. Feeling ko, just stick to your core. Kung ano yung nasa core mo, if that is love, be that center sa lahat ng ginagawa mo.
Alamat mo.
Morning man o evening.
Nice!
You have to work hard. Yan. And
Yes, and even if there are times that you feel like yes, and kahit may mga times na feeling nyo, nakakapagod na talaga, gusto kong sumuko, pero you're there for a reason. You're there.
You're there. You're almost there. So guys, you're
Okay,
there. You're there, but you're still there.
Wow.
And I'm here telling you that you can do it. So every good boy, that's fine.
What the hell, Josh?
Okay, fine.
Fine. You'll be fine. Fine. F-I-N.
She got up again too. She stood up again too. Oh my God,
Stacy. Oh my God.
This Stacy excels at this.
Yes,
Like she can just make shit
Look,
up.
Stacy didn't talk the first 30 minutes of this interview, and yet look who gets to end it.
Here we go. She stood up too. Here we
Stacy the
go.
Diesel. Oh no.
F-I-N-E. Fine. That means that you're I-N. You'll be fine. Fine. F-I-N-E. Fine. That means that
There is no way that she is introverted. Like, I refuse to believe.
Oh my God.
I refuse to believe that she is introverted. There's no way. There's no way.
you should always be fine in what you're doing. You should never doubt yourself. You should never feel insecure about what you're doing. Don't ever break your dreams. Always chase your star. Always believe in what you're doing. Never stop believing in yourself.
This is from SBNI19. From your new transferee of this section.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Hashtag Peter.
Oh my God.
Hashtag irregular.
Sana meron po kayo nakuhang sa amin. Inspirasyon.
Oh God.
I guess a final thing, just a message for all of your supporters. You guys have amazing fans.
Oh,
I
God,
think
that
I'd
was
like to hear
so
from the leaders
funny.
of each group for this one.
Tayo ka, Jo.
A message to your fans and a message to the people that support you.
Oh man.
Ladies first?
Kung sino daw pinaka long hair, siya yung una.
So yung message namin, siguro gusto lang namin mag-thank you sa support na binibigay nyo kasi grabe magmahal talaga ang mga Pinoy and especially yung fan base ng groups natin, 'di ba? Grabe. Feeling ko kasi meron na tayong strong fan engagement. Ang kailangan na lang talaga natin unity, tama? And mag-release talaga ng mga meaningful songs. 'Yon, mag-explore. Back to
Yes,
you.
sir.
Tayo ka rin. Tayo rin ba? Oo.
Tayo.
Siguro ano ba sasabihin ko? Sa totoo lang, Brett, wala na akong masabi sa fans namin kasi everyday naman nagpapasalamat kami, sinasabi namin na mahal namin sila. Siguro gusto ko lang sabihin kasi ako, ini-imagine ko rin paano ba yung lives ng mga fans. So I know, meron din silang mga dreams, meron din silang mga aspirations katulad nating mga kabataan. Kabataan pa tayo, lahat tayo dito.
Kabataan Pinoy.
Gusto ko lang, ang hiling ko lang kay Lord, gusto ko lagi silang malayo sa kapahamakan. Yung health nila okay palagi. Kasi kapag okay tayong lahat, kaya natin magtrabaho, kaya nating abutin yung mga pangarap natin, di ba? So, habang okay tayo, maayos yung health natin, maayos yung minds natin kasi syempre mahalaga din ng mental health. Kaya natin abutin yung pangarap. And gusto ko lang sabihin na darating yung time na kung hindi man ngayon darating yung time in God's perfect time na maabot niyo yung mga pangarap niyo. So, habang okay tayo lahat, magpursige tayo, gawin natin yung very best natin. Huwag tayong magliban ng wag tayong magre-relax lang na basta-basta kasi syempre if we have our dreams, dapat every time na may opportunity ibigay natin yung 100% natin. Huwag tayong parang mag-aalinlangan kasi kapag nagkaroon ng alinlangan, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. So, ayun lang, good health for everyone and sasabihin ko lang ulit, mahal na mahal namin kayo and you guys are our inspiration and our motivation. So, let's all be motivation para sa ibang tao rin. So, ayun lang gusto ko sabihin. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay. More birthdays to come. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang gusto ko sabihin?
MBTC, GBU.
Merry Christmas din. Malapit na yung Merry Christmas.
Happy Halloween!
Happy birthday din sa inyo.
Happy Halloween.
I just want to thank you guys for being here today. I think there's a lot to take away from this episode. First of all, we need to support these groups because we know that if we support OPM in general and the whole Philippines comes together, this thing can get bigger and bigger and bigger until this nation and the music community is leading across the world.
Yep.
Secondly, there's no more time for fighting. We need to come together as fans
Yeah,
and as music
they
listeners
did it for a
and
week.
just keep supporting.
They
We need to
clocking
do
it.
this together.
They clocking them.
Hoping
They
for more
clocking
support,
toxics.
not only from the fans, but from the government, from businesses and people to invest in OPM in general, especially P-pop. Thank you so much, SB19 and Beanie, for being here today. You coming together is a big moment for the music community, and your words are going to go everywhere today. So thank you so much. This has been Billboard Philippines Volumes with with Beanie and SB19. Let's make some noise!
Thank you.
Billboard
Then
Philippines.
it got
Oh,
really.
wait, the last
What's the
5
last
minutes?
5 minutes?
Okay.
No,
They
they
put
put the
video
80s
at the
video in the end.
No, I know Benny was pissed.
They put the 80s video in the end. Okay, well,
No.
well,
No shot they did that.
well. Hold on. Well, they put it there. We gotta watch it.
I cannot believe they did that.
What we gonna do right here is go back. Way back.
Why did they do
Back
that?
into time.
I know they were like, hell no. Okay, who's the person right now?
This is not the original video. What video is this? It does remind me of iCarly.
I cannot believe they put this in the.
It's not the original. It's not the original video.
Oh, okay, it's not. Okay.
It's not the original.
Oh my god.
Oh, the one who made the English subs put it in there.
Oh, okay.
Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it.
Okay, so they did. Okay, this is somebody put it in there. Okay.
Before you go, 'cause I'm not planning on going.
I'm glad they put it in there.
Wake me up before you go.
Colette don't look mad to me. Colette's silent.
This is pre-debut though. They all
Yeah.
silent.
Okay, I have a question. What do you think Colette disliked more, this or the coconut nut?
Yeah, which one do you think she dislikes more? Probably this.
Which one do you think they?
No stylist era.
That's okay. The
The
coconut nut.
coconut nut.
Both.
Both. She had to debut, so like
She had to debut. Look at that. Is a
Look,
great. That is a
so-
great point. She had to
do
debut,
what
so
you need
you
to
gotta
do
do
to
what you gotta
debut.
do.
You're right.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Now she will never have to do that again.
Yep.
Her MBTI is CUTE. It's very 80s. Who had no problem with this concept? Yeah, who enjoyed this concept? How are we doing 80s but no Michael Jackson? It's giving Glee. Isn't it giving Glee? It's giving Glee. Call with to take down the fire. You can look. You got the debut.
Oh my god, it's long as hell too.
Look. They had to debut.
They
Look.
had to debut.
Colette said smile through the pain.
Yes.
They had to debut. Just remember, they had.
No wonder
Can you do the
around.
choreo? What do you mean? Can we do the choreo?
Oh, I know why Colette turned around so quick. Poor Colette.
Smile through the pain.
Colette needed, she was in survival mode at this point. You're doing whatever you need to do. Now you would think Colette enjoyed the hell out of this.
I know she put on her. Well, if Colette was in the chat, she's out of it now.
Yeah, she's out of here.
She does.
Colette
She's-
looked like she liked
I
it.
know that smile face. She had to debut.
Pre-anger era.
Maybe this is why she's so angry.
This caused anger.
Maybe this is why she's so angry.
Yes, this is why.
Maybe this
that
is-
anger was building up during this.
Yeah, I think maybe this might be why. Okay, lore. Anger lore.
We get why Colette's angry because of this and the coconut nut.
She had to smile through the pain.
Look at her. This is how anger was born.
Oh, this is so long too.
Oh, it's one take.
Oh, that's impressive. Honestly, one take is impressive with anything. Because Colette wasn't doing that twice.
God, why is it so long? No one's not watching it yet. I agree. Mika's fine.
Listen, you have to do this or you're not debuting.
Okay, all right, then.
I mean, I agree. Like, look, you know. This would be the easiest choreo they'll do.